Y'all, I am so overwhelmed with joy because I told myself that today I was going to take the day to purge my closet, my shoes, my makeup, and my jewelry. And this is the last video of my bedroom purge that I'll be filming today. Obviously, more is coming, but I'll be filming today. So I'm purging my jewelry now, getting rid of the things that I don't wear that are just kind of hanging there, and we'll see how this goes. You guys know what it is, Konmari. You guys look at it and determine your goal. You're going to discard all the things that you're not going to use. You're going to give away the things that you don't need, and then you're going to reorganize your space with now the things that are actually meaningful to you. So let's do this.
So here, I'm going to just put it all in one pile. So here's my necklaces. Here's the rest of it.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
All right, you guys. So the jewelry, is hard because I have my jewelry mixed in from spring and fall, and you can't wear the same because, like, for instance, there's cool tones, and then anyway, so I did that. I am giving stuff away, and I will show you guys what I kept. It's gonna look like a lot because I just can't do without some stuff, but it's less.
Away pile. I love this ring, but I'm done with it now. But here's like really nice necklaces, nice earrings, bracelets. So that's the pile of giveaway. And then here's what I'm keeping. I was really torn about this necklace, but I think I'm going to keep it for one more season. If I don't wear it this season, it's done. These are all like my dainty necklaces, my watches, bracelets, which are actually pretty minimal. I have a lot of layering bracelets, and then just a few, like this is a set. These I wear all the time in the summer. This I wear in the summer a lot. But yeah, this is just like, and actually, I'm gonna give this away. I used that a lot, and I think I'm done with that one now. It was well loved, but all of these layering bracelets I'll keep. My watches I'm definitely keeping. This, I don't know where the other one is. And this is unfortunate. I've had these for years and they always seem to stick with me and they're so versatile, but can't find the other one, so that's gonna be gone. And I think I'm keeping this one. I think I'll put it here, I'm not sure. But then here's these are all of my small earrings that I wear pretty much on a daily basis, like pearls and stuff. And don't mind my hand, that swatches from eyeshadow, but keeping that. And then these are the larger earrings, just a few pairs, like 4 pairs. And then these are all the long earrings, which have actually been reduced quite a bit over time. And then a few rings that I wear. These are generally like for work. And then these are my summer hangout rings. My mom's high school reunion ring she gave me. This ring my real dad gave to my mom as a promise ring, and it's actually my birthstone, and I keep that. I actually want to add it to a necklace, so yeah, I think that's
all right,
good.
you guys. Now I need to wash my sheets, change my sheets, because all of this stuff and dust and all of shoes and everything have been on my bed, and then I'm gonna go chill. So I hope you guys are enjoying these. I'm enjoying it. It's benefiting me, so I hope it's benefiting you guys in some way. And then as I get my spring clothes out, which will just be in a couple of weeks when the weather warms up, I'll do the same exact process. I don't want to bring anything into my wardrobe that I do not love, so I'll do the same thing, and I'm going to be filming a haul very soon for all of that stuff. And a trip that I had to H&M from the Bay Area for more spring stuff. So all in all, I'm going to keep this journey going. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll check y'all in the next one. Peace.